This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is January 16th, 2019. So here I'm going to pick up that gas valve for that Jantrol gas furnace in the attic up there, propane kit, and the gas valve. It came in, the guy called me yesterday, so I'm on my way. It's first thing in the morning, going to grab it. I talked to the guy yesterday and told him I'd be there first thing. You know, I gotta go get the gas valve a couple of towns over, Fall River, and then, you know, drive all the way back to Dartmouth to put it in. So it's got the propane kit, so that means I gotta change the regulator spring inside. So when that usually happens, I just get a whole nother gas valve and another kit, because sometimes they change the gas valve on you for them models. If you try to use the old parts, you're gonna run into problems. So it's always best to go new. Comes with jets, I won't need that. And those air bands, I did a little bit of research on that, and supposedly, I guess, Goodman came out with something that you don't need to use those if you're running propane. You can take those gas, those air dampers. I usually leave them wide open anyway, so there's probably no need of putting them back on there. Those air dampers for the propane. But try to get you some shots when I get there. I've got my buddy Miss Molly with me. I usually start the truck up in the morning, you know, half an hour, 45 minutes before I go anywhere to warm it up. I got a little electric blanket going. And I got the heat going. You know, it's warm in here. It's probably 70 degrees in the cab, so. Alright, I'll get you some shots when I get there. It's a White Rogers valve. It's a different valve. It's usually what I run into with these things. They give you different valves to use. Typical. So you gotta get the LP kit. You know, when you call it in, you get the LP kit. Oh, I know it. I know it. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh yeah, I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Well, it's about the same size, so it should be alright. Now on this thing. Arrow here, so it's gonna go this way. Do the conversion on it first, I guess. Take this apart and change that to the propane one. There's a little spring in here that I need. Well, that's the Honeywell. That's not the one I need. Where is it? They got Honeywell on the White Rogers one, I think. The spring is a different spring. LP's a smaller, weaker spring. kind of weird. Alright guys, I had to run out and get another valve. I couldn't get this other black piece out, the other one. I got it out of this one. I had to come and get another valve. There should be a spring in there that's going to be changed. Yeah, the spring going on over the side there, but it's fine. Gotta put the propane spring in there, which is a little different. It's a natural gas spring. That's not the right kit. Not the right kit. There we go. This is the one we want right here. See, it don't come with a cap. So we're going to use the same cap that goes in there. What a flipping job. So the blue one's going to go in there for the propane. Alright. This has to go in there. Make sure it goes in properly. That back together for now until we get back to the job. I had to come all the way back because I couldn't get the other one out. What a flipping job. All that for that spring. The flow's gonna go this way, so we'll have to put the label somewhere on this thing. OP label. Alright, so we got the new valve. Come all the way back to forever. Flipping job and a half. I should have did it before I went all the way to the job. Next level. Shut the gas off so we can get this thing out of here. loose here. We gotta get out. Should come right out. Let's see if we get this thing back in here. Make sure you got no leaks with the propane, obviously, right? Alright, so I put the 24 volts on there. This is on. I just have to loosen up that screw and put my manometer on there. We should be able to fire it up. Turn the gas on. I don't want to lose that. And that says out, so that should be our manifold pressure, which is 9 to 11 on propane. It should stick right on there like that. It's on one port, see it? We're all connected. We got our gas valves on. We got our propane there. It should glow and then it should fire. Then we can set the pressure after it fires if we need to. Glow. plug back in. I got the gas back on. We'll fire it back up. It's running right about 9 on the gas pressure on the main. Now, I didn't change none of the jets. I left all the jets that were in there alone. Houston, we have ignition. To get more pressure, I'd have to go downstairs and crank up the regulator. But we're right around 9. We'll be alright there. It's been running like that for a lot of years, so I'm gonna leave it. Put the tag here. Tag there. Look at the slab coil there for the AC.